How to get working Bed Bath & Beyond promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Bed Bath & Beyond promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Bed Bath & Beyond. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Scroll and check $20 coupon code, 20% coupon code, $10 coupon code, and many more. Head towards any of the coupon code that you want to grab. Just click on View Coupon. So I have selected $50 coupon code. Now I can copy it, then click on Visit Bed Bath & Beyond. You will be directed to the official website of Bed Bath & Beyond. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll find the section of promo code. Paste the code and confirm your order. With that, your code will be redeemed and you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Just scroll and check. Also check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Bed & Bath. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear how to get working Bed Bath & Beyond promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.